Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most popular language, JavaScript. But before starting that, let's know a little bit about it. JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and CSS. It enables interactive web pages and is an essential part of web application. It was created by Brendan H. in 1995 at Netscape Communication. Now, let's talk about a very common question, or may I say, a very common confusion, the difference between Java and JavaScript. It is very normal that you will obviously think that there is a connection between Java and JavaScript, but let me tell you, the similarity between Java and JavaScript is just as the similarity between car and carpet. As carpet has just the word car in it and JavaScript has just the word Java in it. Other than that, there are no similarities between them. Let's move on to the benefits of JavaScript. I know you have been waiting for this part because obviously, why will you learn a language if you don't know how will it benefit you? As I said before, it is one of the most popular programming languages today and it is used by professional developers, even backend developers. And another interesting feature is that you can create visual effects and other eye catching aesthetic features for your website using JavaScript. JavaScript is easy to learn because it hides the complicated implementation details and only shows the functionality to the users. In other words, it ignores the irrelevant details and shows only the required ones. And unlike other high level languages, it has a natural language feel to it. JavaScript is also a very versatile language because you can use it for both front end and back end app and web development, and also you can use it for machine learning. With an increasing number of businesses and organizations going digital, there is a corresponding increase in demand for developers who are familiar with the better known programming languages, as we have already noted, that's JavaScript. So, JavaScript will be a huge enhancement in your future career, and the career potential is surely skyrocketing. Thanks for watching this video and please like, comment and share if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.